Did I get him?
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, buddy.
I knew it was gonna fall over.
Holy
This chair was like,
fuck. Hey boys. Yeah. Is the camera still on?
Yeah.
Can you turn it around quick? I was like, what the hell was that fucking noise quick?
you want me to cut it off?
Alright guys. You got I'm trying to get this. Let's go out here quick, Lucas.
I'll get you.
Well guys, it is opening day of youth season. Opening day youth season 2023. Got Lucas Stearns on his last youth hunt ever, and we were able to have 2 Jakes come right in, and well, he was obviously happy to shoot one. He shot, fell right on his butt, and we're gonna go check it out quick, and we'll let you guys watch him get his recovery. Go ahead, Lucas. Hey, Park, your decoy got beat up. Sorry it took a minute though, Lucas. I was like, I'm sitting there like, wait a second.
Feathers. Yeah.
Another super Jake. Hey, so brother. Once again, let's see his fan. About a 2-inch rope. His fan? Oh no, it's a little high. I was gonna say it's almost a full freaking fan. Come on over, Park. You gotta think, John Weitzel, he let us borrow his ground blind, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a believer now that you can set him up in the middle of a field and have them come right into you. I mean, I'll show you about 15 yards maybe, if that, from the blind. We're there and right there. I also got to thank Parker Day. He come out and videotaped for us, and well, what do you think?
Yippee.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Tune in to Doing the Dirty Outdoors. Hey, Sky Guy. Give me some, dude. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Give me some, baby. Let's go get it.
I didn't see him when they first came out. I thought you were talking about over here.
That's why I told you to come over by me.
Big bird. See the Jennifer? Let it pick him up, spread his fan out.
Look up at me.
Let me shut that up.
Oh yeah, sorry. Took out 2 youth hunters today. Got one at 6:40. Went home, skinned it, cut it all up for him. Called him. He come up and got him out. And as you can see, the second bird down by
10:31.
10:31. Thanks Parker Day for filming it. And thanks Guy for letting us take you out.
Thank you.
Tune in to Doing It Dirty Outdoors.